Dear students, this is module number 112 for the subject of strategic human resource management. By beginning this module 112, we are also beginning a new chapter, that is chapter number 9 for this subject. This chapter is about SHRM and human resource development. Uh, in this module, our focus would be on the introduction to human resource development, and in rest of the modules of this chapter we will talk about the idea of or the concept and theories of human resource development as a function of strategic human resource management. Following our conventional method, first we will discuss or read that what are the possible learning objectives. So after completing this chapter, we should be able to explain the concept of human resource development. The second is appreciate the importance of human expertise and learning to competitive advantage. The third learning objective after completing this chapter, one should be able to explain, understand the relationship between training and development, career development, and organization development. We will see what is the role played by TND, career development, and organization development, and how they are different, and what is the relationship between the three. Among other learning objectives, understand the relationship between formal and informal learning. We will go in a detail what is formal learning, what is an informal learning, appreciate the role of workplace learning, and critically evaluate an organization's approach to human resource development. So these are the few learning objectives, and I hope by the end of or by completing this chapter, you should be able to explain and understand that. In some addition to that, strategy provides the when we talk about the introduction to the human resource development, we say what to develop, what type of training should be provided to the employees, what type of needs should be addressed when you are thinking about human resource development. So basic strategy provides the context for development of intangible assets. A human is an intangible, or the knowledge is an intangible asset of an organization. So the strategy provides the context for that intangible asset. What is that intangible asset? The human capital, the knowledge, skills, and abilities of the employees. What knowledge? What skills? What abilities? The strategy will provide the context. What is your organization strategy? For example, if your strategy is heavily influenced by or based on research and development, then when we are talking about human resource development, we are talking about the employee's capabilities to conduct research and developing some products out of that. So this means that HRD, the human resource development or strategy, policies, processes, and practices must be strategically aligned with the business strategy. This is the example I just have given, that if your strategy is heavily influenced by R&D, just like the Apple company, they heavily influenced in R&D. Google, they heavily influenced in R&D. Some other cosmetic companies, pharmaceuticals and medicine, they are focused on research and development. This is their business strategy to develop or to come up with new ideas, new products, and what type of skills, abilities, and motivation is needed by the employees. So that should be developed in the form of human resource development. So the purpose of human resource development is to develop human expertise. This is what I have just explained. Human expertise underpins organizational capabilities. I hope you guys remember that when we are talking about organizational capabilities, we are talking about the ability of an organization to process something, or the processes intertwined in an organization which results in the form of productivity. For example, the ability to develop new designs, the ability to develop new products, the ability to enhance the quality of of a product, Does your organization capable of doing that? For example, the organizational capabilities to deliver in a university setting, to nurture the knowledge, or to transform the students from whatsoever they are when they join the organization to a business professionals. The organizational capability to do this transformation. So examples of organizational capabilities includes talent management and so on. So HRD is concerned with change, with the learning, and with the improved performance. So when we talk about that, how can organization do this? Organization can do this through organization development and personal training and development. We call that T&D. These are the concepts which can be intermingled together and hard to understand. Organization development, human resource development, and what is human resource. We will talk about this in this chapter in more detail in the later modules. Thank you.